Morning, folks. This is the unboxing of the Golden Technology BuzzAround Extreme EX three-wheel scooter. Again, this is the BuzzAround, as you can see, around Extreme EX three-wheel scooter. When you get your scooter, folks, it'll be on a small wood pallet, which we already took off from under here, but you know what that is. All you need is a good knife, and you're going to have to start with these straps right here. Cut them open. Also, you might have a couple pieces of tape here and here. You can just rip the box open like this, just for your heads up. These staples right now are sticking up because I pulled them out. So you may want to pull them out. Just be really careful. They're really, really sharp. I wouldn't want anybody out there to get hurt. Okay, so I'm going to push it down. Push down this over here. Push down over here. And what I'm going to do for this demonstration, and you may want to do this at home also, I want you to see how I take it out of the box. Cut the box open here and here. Now you can see what I'm looking at. So I'm going to take this out. That's garbage. You have a basket right here. So we're going to put that over here. Take that out, take that out, take that out. So you can see back here, we have two arms. There's one arm. There's the other arm. And you have a seat right here. This is just a protection for shipping. We don't need that. Pull the seat out, it comes right out. The seat is right here. Pretty simple so far, huh? Right here is your charger, your keys, your owner's manual, and you also have blue in here because the scooter's red right now, but you can change the scooter to blue with the colors in here. We're going to put that here. This right here, I'm just going to cut the top of that. Just be careful when you cut anything. You don't cut anything you shouldn't be cutting. Okay? I'm going to take that out. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull this plastic back. And before I do anything else, as you saw the flag dropped earlier, that's your flag. Right here, as you can see, is a battery pack. Matter of fact, let's do this. This is an easy one to unpack. You can see the battery was sitting right here. The other battery's on the other side. So we're going to take this battery pack out. And now I'm going to take this plastic, go around the tiller, get rid of it. This is called the tiller right here, driving apparatus. This has to come up, but it won't come up because it's locked. You have to go right here to this knob, turn the knob, retighten it. And here's the other battery right here. So we're going to put that over here. Here's your seat post. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to get rid of this plastic right here, this is all pretty easy to come off. This company makes everything real easy to take off. Even this right here. You see how easy that was? All right. So now, this little scooter, as you can see right now, it's sitting on these boxes right here, okay? So what you would do now, the way I usually do it, grab the rear end right here and pull it up and put it down like this, off that little box right there. Right now it's in drive. I'm going to push the lever forward so it rolls. Now you're going to raise the front end and roll it out. And now, folks, look, the wheel is locked. The reason it's locked, there's a lever right here. If you unturn it, there you go, it unlocks the wheel. I'm going to move the scooter out of the way. We're going to get rid of these boxes and we'll be back in a couple seconds. Welcome back, folks. We're here now with everything unboxed. with the BuzzAround Extreme EX Scooter 3-wheel. This is what you should have. You should have 2 battery packs. You should have a seat post, a seat. You should have 2 arms. And you should have a basket. Inside your basket, you should have a cell phone holder. And here will be your charger, your keys, and your charger, your keys, and a different color. This scooter, folks, comes into blue also. This is red right now, but you have blue in here. I'm gonna take the owner's manual, put it in here. You can see inside the box the blue color. Put there. Your keys are here, and this is your battery charger. So we're gonna put that over here. We're gonna shut this back. The first thing I'm gonna do, I always do this, to put the keys in first. So you have 2 keys. One of them has a keychain. The other one does not have a keychain. So the second key I'm gonna put back in the basket. So the next thing I'm gonna do, you're gonna put the seat post on. So if you see the seat post right here, it has 3 holes. So you can adjust the height, any height that you want. They're 1 inch apart, so you can be all the way at the bottom or 2 inch higher, okay? I'm gonna take the bolt out. And I'm gonna slide the post. I'm gonna put it in the middle hole, middle of the road, middle hole. Then I'm gonna put this back in here. All right, so the seat pole is on. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the batteries in. There's 1 battery. They just drop in. The second battery, as you can see, this is your reset button is right here to reset the scooter. And now, I'm gonna turn the key on. We have power, okay? But the scooter is still in neutral, folks. So I'm going to put it in gear. Now we can go forward or reverse. And when you put it in neutral, it's right here like this, okay? And that's neutral, okay? Back in gear, forward, reverse. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your little seat right here. I'm going to fold it so it's easier to put on. There's a little rubber cap here. You don't need that. Stick it right on the pole, turn it. The seat is installed. You have 2 arms. The arms go right in here, but you can see there's a bolt, there's a knob in the way, so you have to unturn this before you can slide the arm. So the arm will not go in until you get far enough down with your screw. Then all of a sudden the arm, there we go. And then you just have to retighten it really good so you have no play in the arm. If your arm ever gets loose, just go back to that knob. There we go. And I'm going to show you one more thing. We're going to put the basket in the front. I'm going to swivel the seat over here so you can see something. And you also get a flag, okay, with your scooter. So this flag right here with this company, they have a slot right here for the flag, okay? So you can, there's 2 slots actually. So if you want to make it long, you can stick it together, stick it in here, then you have a long flag. If you just want a shorter flag, just use 1 pole and you have a shorter flag. So folks, and of course, your battery charger and your color and your keys, and the key, I have the key out now. So folks, this is the unboxing of the BuzzAround Extreme EX Scooter 3-wheel. Hopefully this demonstration was helpful to you. If you like this scooter and you like what you see, give us a call. We'll be glad to get you one of these. Thank you for watching. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.